Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang, talking about that generation here from year 2015 to year 2023 guys. If you have one of those, you need to find where the passenger airbag deactivation fuse is located guys. The one practically that detects if you have a passenger in the front seat or you don't. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. Every time guys you work on the airbag system, okay, consider now this entertaining video, not a how-to video. Work on airbag system, remove airbag fuses, test them only if you're qualified to work on airbag system. If you're not, consider this entertaining video guys for all purposes, even if you're qualified or not. But now airbags can kill you, so you need to know what you're doing. Another thing, on these modern cars it's important to actually disconnect the car battery off for at least 1 hour before messing with airbags, and it's very important to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first, so you don't burn the electronics. So let's go ahead and explain where that fuse is located now. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So now guys, we'll be working, okay, you actually have two different fuse boxes. We'll demonstrate on a 2018 Ford Mustang GT, but even if you have a different engine, it will work as well. So let me show you what we have here specifically. The main engine fuse box is right here, but today guys, we don't need this one. We need the fuse box that's located on the inside, and that's located on the passenger side. If you open guys, okay, the passenger door right here, you come inside, and you come right here in the footwell on that kick panel. If you grab that fuse box cover, okay, that cover right there, just pull, there is one clip, okay, and then you slide it up. Okay, let me show you now. This is the clip that you need to pull on the front. You pull it out and then you slide it up, because you can see how those things are here. And you're going to get to the fuses right there. Now I'm going to take one picture and we're going to show you on the computer so you can see everything with a great detail. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So which fuse we need to check guys? As you can see, that's the fuse box, that's the bottom of the fuse box right here, that's the top, that's the front of the Ford Mustang, that's the rear. Now here it's a little bit guys confusing. The numbers will be upside down, that's how they will be in the fuse box. And if you come on this side, you have fuse number 16, then it says 18 and 20. But the fuse that we need to check is fuse number 19. So where exactly guys will be fuse number 19? Okay, it's right here. That's two fuses integrated in one, so that's fuse number 19, that's fuse number 20 right here. So that's the fuse that you will need to check guys. Okay, you'll be towards on the very top, okay, right there. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.